Scope in Python. Scope refers to the visibility and accessibility of variables in different parts of our code. In Python, variables defined inside a function are considered local variables and can only be accessed within that function. On the other hand, variables defined outside of any function are considered global variables and can be accessed from anywhere in the code. Local variables. Local variables are variables that are defined within a function. They are only accessible within that function and cannot be accessed from outside. Local variables have a limited scope and are destroyed once the function finishes executing. This allows us to have variables with the same name in different functions without any conflicts. Global variables. Global variables are variables that are defined outside of any function. They can be accessed from anywhere in the code, including inside functions. However, if we want to modify the value of a global variable inside a function, we need to use the global keyword to indicate that we are referring to the global variable and not creating a new local variable.